In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide completed tasks in Asana. If your workspace is starting to feel crowded with finished items, this quick tweak will give you a clean, focused view of only what still needs your attention. It works great whether you're managing a team project or just keeping your personal to-dos on track. First, open the space you want to tidy up. That could be a specific project you're collaborating on or your personal My Tasks view. You'll find both in the sidebar on the left. Choosing the right place matters. Filtering in a project helps you zero in on open work for that team or initiative, while filtering in My Tasks cuts through the noise in your own daily list. Once you're in the right spot and you can see your tasks in list, board, or calendar view, you're ready for the next step. Now, look to the top toolbar, usually toward the right side, for the filter control. It typically appears as a small funnel icon with the word filter next to it. This is where you tell Asana exactly what you want to see. Think of it like putting on noise-cancelling headphones for your task list. It blocks out the completed items so you can focus on what's still in progress. If your window is very narrow, the toolbar may compress, so it can help to make the window a bit wider to reveal the filter option clearly. From the filter menu, choose Incomplete Tasks. As soon as you select it, Asana hides everything you've already checked off. Your list tightens up to show only open work, your board columns display just the cards that aren't done, and your calendar keeps only active items in view. Nothing is deleted or archived. Completed tasks are simply out of sight, ready to reappear whenever you change the filter later. This makes it easy to stay in execution mode without the distraction of long finished sections. A couple of quick tips as you work this way. New tasks you mark complete will immediately disappear from the view, confirming they're done and helping you maintain momentum. If you're collaborating, remember this filter affects your view only, so teammates can set their own preferences without impacting yours. And when you need to review history or prepare a status update, you can always adjust the same filter to include completed tasks again. That's all it takes to keep your Asana workspace focused and clutter-free. Enjoy the calmer, more actionable view and keep moving your work forward.